Ever wondered about the institution that works tirelessly for the social and educational upliftment of backward classes in India? Today we delve into the National Commission for Backward Classes, or NCBC. Established by the central government, NCBC has a significant role in safeguarding the rights and interests of the socially and educationally backward classes. It functions as a watchdog, investigating and monitoring matters pertaining to these classes. Stay tuned as we discuss its formation, constitutional status, and functions in detail. The NCBC was initially constituted by the central government, but do you know when and how? The National Commission for Backward Classes, or NCBC, was initially brought to life by the central government under the National Commission for Backward Classes Act of 1993. This act was a crucial step taken under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The birth of the NCBC was a clear indication of the government's commitment to addressing issues faced by the socially and educationally backward classes in India. The establishment of the NCBC represented a pivotal moment in the journey towards ensuring equality and justice for all citizens. The NCBC was not just a commission, it was a promise, a pledge to uphold the rights of the socially and educationally backward classes, to ensure their welfare and to work steadfastly towards their social and educational advancement. This was just the beginning of a dedicated journey towards social justice. The NCBC is not just any commission, it enjoys constitutional status, but what does that mean? To comprehend the significance of this, we need to take a look at the Constitution, 102nd Amendment Act of 2018. This amendment accorded constitutional status to the National Commission for Backward Classes. It also led to the insertion of Article 338B, Article 342A, and Clause 26C in Article 366 of the Indian Constitution. Article 338B outlines the structure and responsibilities of the NCBC, while Article 342A empowers the President to specify the socially and educationally backward classes. Clause 26C in Article 366 provides the definition of socially and educationally backward classes. These insertions in the Constitution not only legitimize the NCBC, but also laid down a clear framework for its functioning. This status empowers the NCBC to work effectively for the backward classes. The NCBC is a robust body with a chairperson, vice chairperson, and 3 other members. But who appoints them? Well, let's break it down. The National Commission for Backward Classes consists of a chairperson, a vice chairperson, and 3 other members. Each of these members holds a rank and pay equivalent to a secretary to the Government of India. Now, this might make you wonder, who has the authority to appoint these integral parts of the Commission? The answer lies with the highest authority in the land. The President. Yes, the President appoints the chairperson, vice chairperson, and other members of the Commission by warrant under his hand and seal. This means the President personally signs off on each appointment, ensuring that the Commission is composed of individuals who are dedicated and capable. Thus, the Commission is composed of dedicated individuals working towards a common goal. The NCBC has a prominent role in social welfare, but what exactly are its functions? The National Commission for Backward Classes, or NCBC, has a range of duties to fulfill. Its most important function is to investigate and monitor all matters related to the safeguards provided for the socially and educationally backward classes. This includes anything under the Constitution or any other law currently in effect, or under any government order. The NCBC is responsible for evaluating the effectiveness of these safeguards. Another key role of the NCBC is to look into specific complaints regarding the deprivation of rights and safeguards of the socially and educationally backward classes. This means that if there are any issues or problems faced by these classes, the NCBC has the authority to investigate and take necessary action. The NCBC is also entrusted with the task of advising on the socio-economic development of the socially and educationally backward classes. This includes evaluating their progress under the Union and any state. The NCBC's advice and recommendations can have a significant impact on the development plans and policies for these classes. On top of these duties, the NCBC is required to present reports on the working of the safeguards to the President, both annually and at any other times the Commission deems fit. These reports include recommendations on the measures that should be taken by the Union or any state for the effective implementation of the safeguards, as well as other measures for the protection, welfare, and socio-economic development of the backward classes. The President, in turn, is obligated to lay all such reports before each House of Parliament, along with a memorandum explaining the action taken or proposed to be taken on the recommendations. This process ensures transparency and accountability in the functioning of the NCBC. Finally, the NCBC can discharge other functions related to the protection, welfare, development, and advancement of the backward classes, as specified by the President, subject to the provisions of any law made by Parliament. The NCBC plays a crucial role in the socio-economic development and welfare of the backward classes. The NCBC doesn't just have functions, it has powers. Intrigued? Well, let's dive right into it. The National Commission for Backward Classes holds some significant powers that are crucial for the realization of its mandate. One of these is the ability to inquire into complaints, and this isn't just a superficial investigation. The Commission has all the powers of a civil court. It can summon individuals, ask for any document, and receive evidence on affidavits. It's like a court dedicated to issues affecting the socially and educationally backward classes. But that's not all. The Commission also has the power to consult the Union and every state government on all major policy matters affecting these classes. This means that it plays an active role in shaping policies that directly impact the lives of these communities. These powers ensure that the Commission can protect and uphold the rights of the backward classes. So that's the National Commission for Backward Classes in a nutshell. Formed under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, the NCBC gained constitutional status through the 102nd Amendment. Comprised of a chairperson, vice chairperson, and 3 members, its main duties are to monitor, investigate, advise, and report on matters concerning the socially and educationally backward classes. It's a powerful body with the authority of a civil court and the ear of both union and state. Remember, the NCBC is a testament to India's commitment to social justice and equality. Thank you for joining us today.